Hello everyone, my name is Vanya Vikas. I study in class 8 at Chirek International, Hyderabad, and my campaign is Folk Bharat, a platform to perform. The SDG I've chosen is SDG number 8, or Decent Work and Economic Growth. But like all the other SDGs, this one too is extremely vast, which is why I've decided to narrow down my focus to the rising issue of unemployment, under which I wanted to shed some light onto the lesser known rural unemployment, under which I wanted to look at performing arts unemployment. There is a common misconception that unemployment is just an urban issue. India's population is 1.4 billion, and 65.5% of that population lives in rural areas. 6.26% of the rural population of India is unemployed, and the numbers are increasing. Employment in rural India is hardly looked beyond the agricultural sector. There are other important contributors to the rural economy, among which is performing arts. We are seeing a steady decline in performing arts due to the lack of viable economic sustenance, audience scarcity, and extraordinary circumstances like COVID 19. This is forcing skilled performers into unskilled employment, city migrations, and large scale cultural erosion. Being a learner of the Hindustani classical music for the past 4 years myself, I am truly concerned about how many of these art forms will die a silent death. This is where Folk Bharat comes in. We will provide a stage for the artists of rural India to showcase their art form. We will collaborate with stakeholders to provide economic sustenance to this proposed model. In fact, the Government of India has recognized the cultural economy as a sector for job generation. In 2006, the Indian Planning Commission report included cultural economy. The Niti Aayog survey of 2016, conducted in 10 backward districts across 5 states of India, asked two very important questions. Is folk art an economically sustainable activity, and do you intend to continue this activity? You will be surprised to know that in spite of the grim situation that we discussed earlier, there is still a population that believes that performing arts is an economically sustainable activity and they would like to continue it. My idea is to give these hopeful people a chance. To make Folk Bharat successful, we will have to collaborate with multiple stakeholders. I have listed down some possible interested parties who would be excited with this concept. The pillars to take this idea forward will be government bodies such as the Ministry of Culture and the Sangeet Natak Academy, social media giants, the industrial sector, and people like you and me who are a part of various NGOs or are individual philanthropists. Folk Bharat is online. Yes, we have launched a campaign on various streaming platforms such as Instagram and YouTube. The gamification of Folk Bharat will help in generating interest in a larger audience. The key factor for success of Folk Bharat is research for relevant content, which will make our pitch effective. With this, I'd like to conclude my presentation. Thank you very much.